Hi everyone, today I'm going to cook lamb curry biryani rice, and yes, this is the star for today. I'm going to use this Adabi curry kambing with ubi kentang. Very difficult to get this, and it's expensive too because of the viral biryani rice that they make using this Adabi curry kambing. We also need this onion. I don't have much onion at home, garlic, so I just use whatever that I have at home. If you have ginger, it's better. I don't have ginger at home. Next, we need also tomatoes. I only have one tomato left. I don't go for groceries shopping yet. I soak basmati rice for a while now. I'm going to drain this and I'm going to use it for my cooking. In the video, they use butter or ghee to saute the onion and tomatoes, but for me, I only cook using whatever that I have at home. So I only have coconut oil at home, so I'm going to saute using coconut oil. So the oil already heat up, so I'm going to add in the onion and also garlic. Fry it until it fragrance. So I'm going to add in tomatoes. I'm very impatient, so I'm going to add in basmati rice. Okay, I'm going to add in the lamb curry. I don't know whether this is going to taste nice, but my recipe is slightly different because I just like to do my own thing. Add in some water and let it to simmer. Please cover it, yeah, and let it cook. Look everyone, this is the lamb curry biryani rice that I cooked just now. So I taste is nice, and I'm going to eat this with a pickled radish that I made quite a while. Yeah, this is only you don't need many ingredients, just basmati rice and then some garlic and onion to saute, and then oil of course to saute, and then tomatoes, just a little bit of sourish, and then add a little bit of water. You don't need to put more water because you don't want your rice to be too soft. Okay, so if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Cindy Rina. Bye, thank you for watching.